You guys, if you have a washer and dryer at your house, you have to get one of these. Did you know you're supposed to clean your dryer vent? I didn't for so many years before I got into real estate. I want to bring in Trey Hill with Gold Star Inspections, and I want Mario, show this. I want people to see what your dryer can look like if you're not cleaning it and it's a fire hazard. Take us through it, Trey.
Yeah, so at least once a year, maybe even more, depends on how much you use the dryer, you want to clean your ductwork. The lint inside the duct get filthy, it just stands in there and it gets real dirty and clogged up. Actually, if it's clogged up, your dryer won't work as well also. So it's all that heat and all that moisture goes out that duct. So you want to clean it at least once a year. So,
but the fact that it's a fire hazard is something we want to really make clear.
Lint can catch on fire easily.
Uh-oh.
So
that ain't right.
That ain't right. And so firemen and all that, it's a good thing. Safety, just keep yourself clean.
Yeah.
So
okay.
you can buy this kit and we can go through it and show you how to do it.
Let's go. So every dryer that you inspect, does it look like this during inspections?
A lot of them, if they've been there for a while.
Yeah.
So people don't do that. People don't do it. It's a lot of stuff. People hardly do maintenance on their cars, so they don't do maintenance on houses.
But how do you know unless somebody tells you?
Yeah, they won't know. Unless you actually looking around your house and things like that.
There are two ways you can access the dryer vent, from outside your house and also from behind your dryer. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so the ductwork comes from the dryer. So this is the ductwork, and it's going all the way outside to the house. Sometimes it's on the side, sometimes it's on top of the roof. So you can access it from both points, whichever is easier, and get to it and put this brush in there to clean it up. So, as an inspector, when we go to the vent outside and it's all clogged up, you don't see nothing. You see lint just coming out. It's dirty. It has never been cleaned.
I will tell you this, I know a lot of people who've never cleaned their vents, me included, when I had my first house, because you just don't know what you don't know.
Right, you don't know.
But now you do.
So we're gonna start it and we're gonna go clockwise. And you see how that comes out? So we're gonna go in, come out. And you just keep going. So yeah. You see all this lint in here? That ain't right. You gotta clean this stuff up. This stuff getting nasty all in your house. You don't even know it.